Charlie! You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Right. Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of... The rope swing broke. It broke. And, I'm gonna wait for Charlie to get back so he can tell you exactly what happened. There he is over there. Charlie! He says he's going to a bin, but I don't know. I don't know. Charlie, where are the bins at? I made a mace as well. Yeah. It's pretty cool. It's like a swingy thing like that. Look at this dude. He doesn't know what he's doing. He's just walking all over. He's walking so much and there's just no bin. Stupid. Okay, so because Charlie's taken absolutely ages, I'll just tell you guys what happened. So, Charlie was swinging. He was just swinging as usual, like the video before. He was swinging. I didn't see it. I couldn't see it because I was making this stupid thing. So I was literally turned around, facing that way, just, making it. And then I just hear an absolute slam. He just goes, he's just screaming. Absolutely screams, and he just fell off, just slammed his back on the floor. I think he's left a mark somewhere. You can see, you can kind of see where he slammed, and he was covered in dirt, and he was in pain. Poor Charlie. Poor Charlie. Oh, there he is. Let's see if I can get him. What is he doing, bro? He's spent the last whenever I started this video, 3 whole minutes he's been trying to find a bin. This lake is gorgeous. I might as well just have a whole picnic and maybe camp here for the night, and then Charlie will be back. I'm taking pictures. I'm just taking pictures as I record this, because honestly, it's beautiful. Dragonfly. Whoa! Look at that. Where'd it go? That was like a proper blue dragonfly. I don't know where it went though. Maybe I can see it. Maybe I'll see it later when I'm recording this. Oh. When I'm editing this, I mean. Really, I'm seeing many butterflies flying around, and it's kind of upsetting the fact that some species of butterfly are going extinct. You know, the last white rhino to ever exist died the other day. It's quite sad. I could literally create an entire nature documentary before this guy gets back. And then maybe he can tell the true story of what actually happened. I kind of told you, he just fell straight on his ass. Here he is! Bro, I just made an entire nature documentary before you got here. I just made an entire documentary talking about nature before you got here.
I'm so annoyed we didn't catch that.
Yeah. I mean, you were taking ages, so I told him what happened.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right, mate. You can kind of see. I brushed all of it off, but
All that shit on my ass.
yeah, it's off. It's off. I saw a really nice blue dragonfly. Just. How do you feel?
Pissed off.
Oh yeah. I was talking about how some butterflies are going extinct, and the fact that just ignoring me. It's got so hot recently. Some people are supposed to come soon, but I don't know where they are. Isn't it so boiling hot, Charlie? Yeah. It completely snapped. Completely.
I'm just so annoyed because we didn't get it on camera.
And the thing is that I don't know if I got it in the last video, but some kids came up to us telling us that it's going to break.
Yeah, you didn't.
Telling us that it won't work, and we didn't believe them.
I guess they were right for a time. Like, we knew it was gonna snap eventually, but we didn't know it was gonna snap this quickly.
Yeah, like they were telling us, like, yeah, it's not gonna hold, but then like it was working for a long time.
I'm just really annoyed because we didn't catch it on camera.
It was going really well, and then all of a sudden,
Should we try and get it on that one?
when I'm in the middle of making, oh, what's that? Yeah, there's that early there. Anyway, I was in the middle of making a bloody mace, and then it just absolutely snapped. We hope you enjoyed this little update.
Yeah. We're gonna make another one at the same rate.
We're gonna try and make another one. Hopefully we can make another one. But
It's just a shame you wiped everything off my back.
it's a real big shame.
Make another one.
Not right now. I'm done making it.
Come on, mate.
Nope, no chance.
Fun.
No chance. We're not making another one.